When the world panics, billionaires don't. While markets crash and economies crumble, the ultra-rich quietly move their money into safe havens. How do they do it? And why does their wealth often grow while everyone else struggles? Let's decode the secret playbook of billionaires during crises. History shows us that every crisis, whether it's a financial meltdown, a pandemic, or a war, creates winners and losers. Ordinary people often lose jobs, savings, and stability. But billionaires? They find ways to shield their fortunes, and sometimes even multiply them. Take the 2008 financial crisis. While millions lost homes and savings, billionaires shifted money into distressed assets, buying companies and properties at bargain prices. During the COVID-19 pandemic, tech billionaires saw their wealth skyrocket as digital platforms became lifelines. The pattern is clear. Crises hurt the masses, but the elite often emerge stronger. So how do they protect their money? 3 strategies stand out. First, diversification and safe havens. Billionaires spread their wealth across multiple assets: stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and even art. When one market collapses, another cushions the blow. They also move money into safe havens like gold, Swiss banks, or offshore accounts. This ensures that even in global turmoil, their wealth remains shielded from sudden shocks. For them, risk is not eliminated, it's managed with precision. Some even invest in farmland, private islands, or rare collectibles, assets that hold value regardless of market swings. In moments of panic, these unconventional investments become fortresses of stability, allowing them to ride out storms while others drown. Second, influence and access. The ultra-rich often have direct access to policymakers, lobbyists, and insider information. They can anticipate government bailouts, stimulus packages, or regulatory changes before the public does. This allows them to position investments where money will flow next. In crises, while ordinary citizens wait for relief, billionaires are already aligning their portfolios with the future. Their connections act as insurance, ensuring they are never caught off guard. It's not just wealth, it's influence that protects them, giving them a seat at the table where decisions are made long before headlines break. Third, buying opportunities. Crises create panic selling. Billionaires see opportunity. They buy undervalued stocks, distressed companies, and prime real estate at discounted prices. What looks like disaster to the public is seen as a clearance sale by the elite. This strategy not only protects their wealth, but often multiplies it once recovery begins. History shows that some of the largest fortunes were built not in times of stability, but in moments of chaos. For billionaires, crisis is not an ending. It's the beginning of a new empire. But there's a darker side. While billionaires protect and grow their fortunes, inequality widens. Ordinary people face unemployment, debt, and rising costs, while the richest expand their empires. Critics argue this is not just smart investing, it's exploitation of crisis. Globally, this strategy reshapes power. Billionaires influence politics, control industries, and dominate markets. Their ability to thrive in chaos makes them more powerful after every downturn. For nations, this raises tough questions. Are crises opportunities for reform, or just another chance for the rich to get richer? And as long as the playbook remains hidden, the gap between the elite and the everyday citizen will only grow wider. So how do billionaires protect their money during crises? By diversifying, influencing, and buying when others panic. It's a playbook that turns disaster into opportunity. And until the rules change, every crisis will be less about survival for the masses and more about profit for the elite.